Best drones. Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Flip. Take your aerial adventures to the next level with the DJI Flip, the ultimate drone for beginners, hobbyists, and photo enthusiasts. Weighing just 249 g, this ultralight drone doesn't require FAA registration, making it quick and easy to get airborne. Safety is a priority with integrated propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors, helping you avoid collisions while flying. Equipped with a high-performance camera, the DJI Flip captures stunning 4K 60 video with 10-bit color and takes crystal-clear photos at 12MP or 48MP. Advanced photographers will appreciate the DNG RAW photo format in flat D-Log-M video profile, offering full creative control during post-processing. Whether you're recording cinematic footage or snapping aerial landscapes, the Flip keeps your images sharp, vibrant, and professional-grade. Pilots have flexible control options. Fly using the included remote with LCD display, a smartphone or tablet app, or on aircraft controls. The drone's compact design and intuitive interface make it ideal for recreational flyers, while its camera capabilities satisfy even seasoned aerial imaging experts. Key specs. Dimensions: 3.1 by 11.0 by 9.2 inches. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Obstacle detection, integrated. Camera, 48MP, 4K 60 video, gimbal stabilized. Media, internal plus microSD-XC. Remote options, dedicated LCD controller or smartphone/tablet. Live video feed, 1080p. Whether you're exploring the skies for fun or capturing professional quality content, the DJI Flip makes every flight safer, simpler, and more spectacular. Lightweight, powerful, and versatile, it's the perfect companion for your aerial adventures. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. Experience the skies with the DJI Mini 3, one of the best entry-level drones designed for both beginners and content creators. Weighing just 249 g, it flies without FAA registration, perfect for hobbyists who want effortless takeoff. Despite its compact size, the Mini 3 packs a powerful 4K 30 HDR-capable camera with a 60-degree upward tilt, capturing stunning aerial footage in both landscape and vertical orientations. Its 12MP sensor supports JPG or RAW DNG photos, and the f1.7 optics deliver excellent low-light performance at dawn and dusk. Safety is built in with GPS, return to home, and Find My Drone functionality, helping you keep your drone secure even during complex flights. While it does not include obstacle avoidance, the Mini 3's stability and precise controls make flying safe and enjoyable. Pilots can control it using the dedicated remote with LCD, the smartphone/tablet app, or a combination of both. Content creators will love the ability to capture both wide and vertical clips in a single flight, making it ideal for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Licensed pilots can also take advantage of remote ID, provided the extended 51-minute battery is purchased, making it suitable for commercial work such as real estate, weddings, or monetized content. Key specs. Dimensions: 2.4 by 3.5 by 5.7 inches. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Obstacle detection: none. Camera: 12MP, 4K 30 HDR, gimbal stabilized. Media: microSD-XC. Remote options: dedicated LCD controller or app. Live video feed: 1080p. Flight time: 38 minutes. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2. Discover the Potensic Atom 2, a compact and capable drone that proves professional quality aerial photography isn't limited to top-tier brands. Weighing just 249 g, it doesn't require FAA registration for recreational use, making it ideal for beginners and hobbyists alike. Despite its small size, the Atom 2 features a 4K 30 camera with a 3-axis gimbal for smooth, stable video, and can capture stunning 12MP or 48MP stills with raw DNG support for photographers who want full creative control. The drone's performance is equally impressive. It offers a long-lasting 32-minute flight time, reliable controls, and a dedicated remote included in the box, giving you precise handling from takeoff to landing. While the Atom 2 does not include obstacle avoidance, its stability and easy-to-learn controls make it a solid choice for first-time pilots and casual recreational flyers. For licensed pilots, the Atom 2 stands out with built-in remote ID, making it suitable for commercial applications such as real estate photography, monetized content creation, or stock footage production. Key specs. Dimensions: 2.3 by 3.5 by 5.6 inches. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Obstacle detection: none. Camera: 48MP, 4K 30, gimbal stabilized, raw DNG support. Media: microSD. Remote: dedicated controller with app. Live video feed: 1080p. Flight time: 32 minutes. Number 4. DJI Neo. Capture stunning selfies and landscape videos effortlessly with the DJI Neo, a lightweight and compact drone designed for beginners and casual flyers. Weighing just 4.8 ounces, it's small enough to avoid FAA registration, yet powerful enough to deliver smooth, steady 4K video and 12MP photos. Built-in propeller guards make takeoff and landing from the palm of your hand safe and stress-free, while intuitive controls ensure you spend more time flying and less time worrying. Perfect for social media enthusiasts, the DJI Neo allows quick selfie shots directly from the drone without needing a smartphone or remote control, though you can also fly it manually using the app. Automated flight modes simplify capturing cinematic shots, and the drone's stability ensures that even first-time pilots can achieve impressive results. Its compact design and $199 starting price make it an ideal entry-level option for anyone wanting to explore drone photography without breaking the bank. While the video profile isn't as advanced as higher-end DJI models, it's more than sufficient for Instagram, TikTok, or casual vlogs. A dedicated remote can be purchased separately for more tactile control and extended range, though the Neo already performs well with app-based piloting. Key specs. Dimensions: 1.9 by 5.1 by 6.2 inches. Weight: 4.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Obstacle detection: none. Camera: 12MP, 4K, gimbal stabilized. Media: internal storage. Remote: smartphone/tablet app, remote sold separately. Live video feed: 1080p. Flight time: 18 minutes. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. Step into the cockpit and experience flight like never before with the DJI Avata 2 FPV drone. Designed for adrenaline seekers and immersive aerial videography, the Avata 2 delivers an ultra-low latency live feed directly into its high-quality goggles, letting you maneuver through tight spaces, pull off flips, loops, and barrel rolls, and capture thrilling footage from a true first-person perspective. Unlike traditional drones, FPV piloting is more challenging, requiring precision and quick reflexes. The Avata 2 simplifies this experience with its motion-sensitive controller, which allows for intuitive flying and on-the-fly hovering or braking. This makes it beginner-friendly while still delivering the excitement of high-speed FPV flight. Capture cinematic video in 4K at 60 frames per second or 2.7K at 120 frames per second, giving you professional-grade footage of your daring maneuvers. The included Avata 2 goggles feature micro-OLED screens for a crystal-clear image, with adjustable interpupillary distance and a diopter to accommodate vision correction. Comfortable and immersive, they make it easy to stay focused during intense flights. For advanced pilots seeking full control over steep dives or extreme stunts, the optional DJI Remote Controller 3 offers precise twin-stick operation. Key specs. Video resolution: 4K per 60 frames per second, 2.7K per 120 frames per second. Flight style: FPV with motion controller. Goggle display: micro OLED, adjustable IPD and diopter. Safety: motion controlled hover and brake. Remote Motion Controller, optional remote controller 3 for advanced control. Ideal for FPV enthusiasts, adrenaline seekers, and cinematic videographers.